Welcome everybody to Sam's Detailing. Righto guys, so I'm going to be showing you how to detail your alloys. We're going to be using some wheel cleaner, we're going to be using tire dressing stripper to get all that gunk off the sidewalls, and I'm going to use some wheel soap in a bucket along with some detailing brushes. So let's crack on with it. So we've gone over the wheel with some wheel cleaner. I've done the tyre walls with tire dressing stripper to get all that gunk off. And now I'm going to go over with our wheel soap and some detailing brushes. So come on, let's crack on with it. So you see me detail the alloy, you saw me use wheel cleaner, wheel soap, you saw me use the detailing brushes, tire dressing stripper, used a lot. But I hope that gives you a good insight on how you can clean your wheel, or alloy actually. Just remember to do the barrels, clean barrels are perfecto. Yeah, let's go back.